Welcome back. Now, inside of every email service provider, you're typically going to be able to design the look of your email. And we're going to go through the process in MailChimp. We're going to click Design Email. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to skip past to, from, and subject. We're going to go straight to the content, and we're going to click Design Email. And this is where you can use templates in order to control the look of your email. Now, inside of MailChimp, you're going to see that there are going to be specific layouts. You're also going to see that there are going to be themes that you can use. And you can scroll through the themes to determine if there is a specific look that you want to achieve. And if so, then you can use the specific template and you can make changes to that template to fit what it is that you want to achieve. Now, in most cases, when you are starting, it's going to be best to use a simple template. And what we can do here is we can start by using the simple text format. Inside of MailChimp, we have the design that's determined by blocks. So you'll see in this case, we have a text block. And when we click inside of that text block, we can make changes to that text block here on the right side menu. We can click the other text box. You're going to see that there's going to be a properties box that comes available to you inside of that area. Now, inside of MailChimp, what you'll want to do first is you'll want to add in the blocks that you're going to want to use. So for example, if you know you're going to want to use a video code, you can drag that code into this area. In order to get more blocks, we can just save and close. And we can grab all the blocks that we think we're going to want to use. For example, if we know we're going to want to use some kind of image file, we can place that image file there. We can save it and close it until we choose to make changes. And we can add in any elements that we're going to want to have inside of our email to control the look and feel of the email. Now, inside of every email service provider, you're going to be able to make changes to the template. So if we click on top of this block, for example, we can then make changes to the property here on the right side menu. We can upload an image that we're going to want to have here in this email. And inside of MailChimp, we can size down the image to what we want it to be. Inside of every block, you're going to have different properties. So for example, in this image area, we can control the style. We can set the image based on the controls that we are given. We can do the same thing inside of the text block. We can control the content, we can control the style, and then we can use different settings inside of the block. We can go to the email area. We can control the content. We can control the individual style. And we can control different elements of the settings. So basically what we're doing is we're taking the content from our email and we're determining how we want to display it to our customers. And what we want to do is we want to use this over and over again. We can then save this design as a specific template. We can save it. The template is now going to be available to us. We can then preview the template. And we can now see what our newly designed email will look like to our customers. Now again, every email service provider has its own process, but the basics of using, creating, and saving templates are going to be the same across email service provider platforms. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.